John 17 verse 6. I have manifested your name and revealed your very self, your real self, to the people whom you have given me out of the world. They were yours, and you have given them to me, and they have kept and obeyed your word. I have manifested your name and revealed your very self, your real self. The Bible has on record 47 accounts where Jesus referred to Father and himself in one context. The Greek word onoma, which means name, had a deeper meaning and referred to one's character or nature. It is then so that Jesus came to reveal God's true nature or character. In the Old Testament, God was explained externally unto man. Also, the relationship of God towards man was on the basis of the meeting of certain requirements. But in the New Testament, God is revealed as Father by Jesus to our inner man and not as an external God. Lord Jesus, help me by your Spirit to realize that the Father is within me by Christ within.